I'm making Halloween socks. I've got this orange Norwegian wool. They've got a asymmetric toe and short row shaping. And then on the sole, I'm using little rubber bands to make them non-slip. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do right now. I'm using these little rubber bands for hair for kids. These are the black ones. I thought they were very Halloween-y. So here's how I do it. I have to knit this. I'll do 2 stitches. And then this is the row where I start the rubber band. So I'll take one of those and loop it over the needle and knit that first stitch. Then I'll pick up the front of this, twist it, put it back on the needle, take the next stitch, knit it, take this rubber band, twist it, moving the front part of it to the back, and then knit that stitch, and then I'll do the 4th stitch, twist the rubber band, pull it down over the stitch, grab the stitch, knit the stitch, knit 2 stitches, and there you have it. I'll have, I think this is the last row of those I'll do. This covers the ball of my foot to make them these non-slip. And then I'll do another batch when I get up to the heel portion to make that non-slip. So these are non-slip slippers for Halloween. So that's it. Bye. I'm going to do a short edit here at the end of the video because there have been some questions. I've switched to black and I did a little color work to join, but the main thing people wanted to know was what does the inside look like. So here is the inside of the sock. These are the little bands. They kind of sit a little lower into the knitting between the purl bumps. I made the mistake of not pulling the first loop tightly, so I've got a bigger loop at the beginning of each of these. I'll do better on that the next time. Somebody asked what the pattern was. There is no pattern. I'm making it up as I go. But I do think that I'll make a video to show how to do this asymmetric toe with short rows. So that's in the works. Another thing was asked was what kind of bands that I use. It was these Proclaim braiding rubber bands. I don't think that these are silicone, but for this case it didn't really matter because how often do you wash your Halloween socks? So that was that. And then the last thing, people asked about these yarn holders that I make. It's just a ball, cast on 12 stitches, increase to about 16 on each needle, 4 needles, split it in half, decrease up there, and add a I-cord for the wrist to hang it on your arm when you walk and talk. So that's it. We will continue with the next video. But meanwhile, thanks for watching.